Hey guys, here we are on the delivery trail. We're in Harborview. Harborview always so nice and quiet though. Like I forgot come live out here. Auntie, walk on. Your daughter say, you know, I'm going to give me a whole heap of trouble. I'll go on party. So, oh yeah, move like say you. I'm my bodyguard. I'm going to move, so. Watch him smile. He have a nice little smile and I go like him tough. Anyway, I have a package for your big daughter. And she said, yeah, I collect it. She said, I'm not getting no trouble. I just get the package and hurry up and go back to my business place. Okay. And I decided to say, I'm going to do just that. Okay. What you cook today, though? No soup? What kind of soup? Probably like a soup with a bubble in there. Local soup. You know, salt that chicken chatters soup or like a beef and something in it. What kind? Foot. Chatters, chicken chatters. Foot nice, man. Enjoy food still. I enjoy food. Anyway, as I say, I keep it because the soup is important and you know you can't tell me nothing about the service because you just collect the package. Right. I love to hear though. Thanks. You come here about. Are your grandson or something? My nephew. Your nephew? Yeah. Watch him. But I saw him go on anything with food. Can't tell us that him are the boss, you know? Yeah. Him are the boss, don't. What's your name? Daniel.
My actual name is Ronaldo Williams.
Ronaldo Williams? Yeah, so the Daniel come from?
Pet name.
A pet name? So you can play football?
Yeah.
No, bossy. But see you have the ball over there and dust up on the ball. So it look like you're not playing no football at all.
Because rain fall.
Rain fall? So look a rainy Freda? Look a rainy Freda?
I'm sick.
You're sick? Oh, what kind of sickness? Flu? No, say I go to school next week, Wednesday though. No. You know why? When you go back to school?
Tuesday. Yep, Tuesday.
Tuesday? Oh, okay. Alright, which school you go?
Windward Road.
Oh, okay. Which grade are you in now?
4.
Oh, you're a big boy.
Yes.
You're a big boy. Nice.
9-year-old.
9-year-old. You like it there?
When I go, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't, I'm not going to go to school April 17th because I'm going back to the doctor.
You're going back to the doctor? Okay, well, I hope you get better. All right, bodyguard. You take care of Auntie, all right? Auntie, love the hair. I don't know where you do it, but I like it. Thanks. All right, enjoy your day. All right? Yeah, man. All right, big boss. Yeah. There you have it. We're on the delivery trail. You know we love what people them, and we love soup, especially chicken trotters soup. We're off.